Okay, hi, good evening, selamat petang pelajar-pelajar Form 4. Okay, apa khabar semua? How are y'all? Welcome to today's class. Okay, so we are live now and teacher is going to wait maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, kita tunggu 1-2 minit so that our friends can join. Okay, Form 4 student boleh join. Okay, yang baru join, those who had already joined the class, what you do, you let me know. Okay, what's your name? Apa nama pelajar, dari sekolah mana, where are you from? Okay, so that I can say hi to you also. Yes, hi Kirtana. Hello Queen. And hi Sukumani. Good evening. Selamat petang. Okay, apa khabar semua? All of you are doing good? Okay. So today's lesson hari ni kita akan sambung. Okay, we're going to continue from where we stopped actually last week. And kelas yang sebelum ni, because last week's class was actually a recorded one, remember? Okay, that one teacher stopped here. Cikgu stop dekat sini kan? Right, dekat bahagian ni di mana kita cari the rainbow method, ratio method, all that we learned, right? Okay, so today is going to be parallel. Parallel maksudnya selari. Right? Today is going to be parallel vector, selari. Hi Harshad Rao, how are you? Okay. So welcome to today's class. And I think if you're watching with a low resolution, kalau resolution tu low, you change it to a higher setting, because sometimes because of the live class, okay, it can go a little bit blur. Alright, dia punya video sometimes the screen can go blur, especially with the raining season. Sekarang musim hujan kan, so you just tukar dia kepada setting yang lebih tinggi sikit. Alright, you change to a higher setting, easy for you. Okay, easy for you. Okay, this note Kirtana actually is continuing, dia sambung daripada last week. And then the new part later we will go, yang kita akan pergi ialah addition, subtraction of vector. This one teacher got give in the link below, ada dekat link di bawah. Kirtana, you double check, it's like there's first link and then got another one more link bottom untuk penambahan and penolakan. Okay, so are you all ready for class? Okay. Okay, kita akan start. We will start off with parallel. Parallel iaitu selari. Wait, let me just double check. I think it is there. 1 minute. Because I already put in my settings. Hold on. Okay, you see in the link there, Kirtana, okay, download notes here kan, dekat bahagian there. First got one link and then got penambahan and penolakan vektor. That is the link. This is chapter 8. Ini adalah bab 8. Okay, that's chapter 8. Wait, let me just maybe copy the link. So, I just paste it here. Okay, hold on. I just give you all that particular link. This is bab 8. Okay, ni adalah bab 8. Sekejap, cikgu copy link. I copy the link so that I can paste it in the chat. Okay. The Google Drive link, teacher dah letak dekat chat. I already put at the chat there. Okay. So, kita boleh start our class. Okay, are you all ready for our class? Kalau if you belum print, it's okay. Okay, you can tulis dulu dalam your buku nota. Teacher hope you all ada buku nota untuk our live classes. Okay. Hi, Miss Ronika, are you a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. What do you mean by are you a teacher? Do you mean like I'm teaching in a school, is it? Is that what you're asking? Harshad. Harshad Rao. Adakah kamu tanya cikgu ni mengajar di sekolah? Is that your question? Okay. Okay, so kita boleh mula. We shall start. Sometimes the connection is a bit late, so I'll get your messages slightly later. Oh yes, okay. My profile previously, 2015 until 2018, I was teaching in a school. Okay, teacher graduated from University Putra Malaysia, UPM. Okay, I graduated with degree in mathematics. So after that, yes, I got a job as a teacher in a school. But what happened after 3 years, teacher decided to quit my job. I resigned my job, cikgu dah quit job. Lepas tu teacher buat pengajaran secara sendiri. I started my own tutoring, and until now, I've been tutoring for almost now since 2015 lah. I've been tutoring at maths. Maths is from Form 1 all, yeah, even primary school, but teacher focus more on secondary school lah. Alright. So if your question is, I was teaching in school, yes, but then I quit my job because for me, if you ask, there's another story actually. There's another story why I quit my job, but I prefer to not work under somebody. Okay, you can say like that. Alright. Maybe next another class teacher explain more maybe the story of why I quit my job, okay, and after that what I did, alright. Okay, so I hope I answered your soalan. So from 2015 until now is almost like you calculate how many years I've been teaching at maths. And my first batch, the new batch for 2020 kan, 2020, that batch at maths students all, diorang was the first batch of the KSSM batch. Okay, so since then, yeah, of course, a lot of things has changed, isn't it, in your syllabus and all. Right, so don't worry. I have teacher friends from KPM, Kementerian Pelajaran. I have teachers friends from also government schools. Okay, so I'm always keeping everything updated. So even teacher punya notes, right? These notes and everything, I combine it from different sources. Okay, teacher ambil daripada different bahan rujukan and everything. And trust me, when you do your trial paper, soalan percubaan, when you do your trial paper, some of the question, like sometimes you can't answer, you don't know, you need to refer the basic, right? My notes is good enough for you to refer. This one, I have seen this with my experience, with my personal, because teacher also doing personal classes all. Yeah, but I ask my students to look back at these notes, they can immediately, get the answer, how to jawab the soalan percubaan. So, everything, teacher always keep updated, alright? Okay, so I think enough about me. So we get started with parallel vectors. Okay, parallel vectors. Vectors selari. In bahasa, this is known as selari. Yeah. Okay, you all know what is parallel. What does parallel means, right? Apa maksud selari, betul tak? So, first thing untuk vector. Okay, let's say I draw two different lines like this, dua garis lurus. Okay, the arah, direction must be the same. Okay, the direction must be the same, but magnitude dia boleh berlainan. The magnitude can be different. Okay, the direction must be the same, but the magnitude can be different magnitude. Okay, sekarang kita lihat. Okay, this part, the one teacher did in what is that box here, right? Vector A sama dengan K vector B. Okay, whenever you are writing parallel vector, bila student nak tulis vector selari, okay, satu vector kena tulis sebelah kiri. One of the vector you must write on the left hand side, another vector you must write on the right hand side, sebelah kanan. Dekat sebelah kanan, you must have a constant. Perlu ada pemalar. Okay, pemalar means teacher I think got explain this. Now, don't confuse it. Per means, what is that? Same. Most students say, teacher, what is, I ask students, what is per what is the meaning of constant? They say, teacher, it means same. No, same, that one you learn from science, correct or not? You belajar daripada science. Tapi, for this one, constant, it means it's a number. Ini adalah number. Okay, it's a number. Sometimes it can, if you see letters also, letters are also called as constant. So remember this and don't confuse with science subject. Okay, don't confuse it with science subject. Okay, so now if you see this K, what you have to do, apa yang student perlu buat is, usually you must find what is the value of K. Student kena cari apakah nilai bagi K. Okay, most of the times that's what you need to do. Okay, look at this Okay, AB kan, dekat sini nampak AB. Okay, A kepada B, what is the magnitude here? 6 unit, betul tak? The magnitude is 6 unit. Okay, look at M to N. Okay, M to N is actually 6 also. Correct, but actually this is terbalik, is the reverse. Therefore, this is starting from N. Dia bermula daripada N tapi dia pergi kepada M. So, nampak yang ni cara nak tulis, how to write the vector, parallel vector. Okay, so you write M first, equal to negative of AB. Kenapa negatif? Sebab yang ni kan negatif 6. Okay, negatif 6. Alright. How about the VW? Okay, you see VW, kita tengok VW, dia macam 2 kali lebih panjang, betul tak? It's 2 times more. So therefore, you want to write the magnitude, kita nak tulis magnitude VW ni 12 unit, betul tak? So you start off with VW first, tulis dulu VW. Okay, AB you write at the back here first. AB kita tulis dekat belakang. Okay, AB ialah 6, betul tak? So, 6 darab berapa dapat 12? 6 times what value you get? 12, which is 2 lah. So, that's why here you get that constant 2. Sebab tu dekat sini kita dapat per 2. So, your job is to find the constant. Kita kena cari per Okay, boleh? Alright, there's a way, it's a method for you to cari the per Okay, I show you the example. Using this example, teacher tunjuk cara nak cari per lah. Okay, first step. Okay, sorry, kita baca the soalan dulu. PQ is equal to 2V. This is the vector. Okay, AB sama dengan negative 2 over 5V. Okay, determine if PQ and AB is parallel or not. Okay, kalau kita nak check, we want to check it is parallel, selari atau tidak. Okay, you must make it into this format. Kena create persamaan dalam format ini. That means you must have a constant. Kena ada per Kalau dapat per that means it is parallel. Per lah, bukan puan mala. Okay, this is per constant Okay, so that means, alright. See how to start off with Okay, this is PQ. Okay, tertulis dulu. This is sama dengan 2V. Correct Okay, AB. Okay, this one teacher write down first. Negative 2 over 5V. Okay, how do I know whether both of them are, what is that? Parallel or not parallel? Okay, what you do? Okay, yang ini kita tulis sebagai equation pertama. Okay, this one kita tulis sebagai equation kedua. Boleh? So, we write down as equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, then what you do? Okay, from equation 1, okay, daripada equation 1, you express your vector V. Ungkapkan, okay, ungkapkan vector V. Okay, what is your V? So, this one, you're going to pindah, you're going to transfer the thing, go there, right? Okay, so V will be 1 over 2 PQ, correct? Like that, because you bring to the other side is divide already. Okay, then what you do? Okay, this one you write as equation 3. Tulis sebagai persamaan 3. Kemudian you gantikan, you substitute the 3 ke dalam Second one, you ganti into the second equation. So it will look like this. AB equals to negative 2 over 5. The V, kita salin apa yang kita dapat tadi. We copy down just now what we got. 1 over 2 PQ. Okay, then we solve. Okay, if you can cut, you cut and solve. So AB equals to negative 1 over 5 PQ. Okay, sekarang how to know it's parallel or not? You check whether it's dia punya bentuk, the format looks like this or not. Yes, isn't it? Here got vector like this. Dekat sini pun ada vector like this, and in the middle here got constant. Betul tak? Okay, so since it looks like this bentuk, therefore AB and PQ, AB dengan PQ are parallel vectors. So you prove already. Sudah buktikan. Boleh? This is the step for you to show that it's parallel or not. Okay, inilah cara kita nak tunjuklah. We want to show whether it's parallel or not. Okay. Okay, anything you want to clear here? Ada apa-apa nak clear dekat sini? Okay, if tak ada, no nothing you guys want to clear, it means you all are clear, dah jelas. We can go to the next, tapi pada soalan seterusnya, another example. Okay, here. This example, okay, diberi RS. We are given our RS vector. We are given our ST vector. Okay, show that R, S and T are collinear. Maksud collinear, what does collinear mean? Okay, anybody here know what does it mean? Collinear. Apa maksud collinear? Dalam bahasa Melayu pun we can say the word collinear. Apa maksud collinear? Collinear. Okay, maybe nobody knows the meaning. Teacher explain. Alright. So it's like this. Okay, R, S, T. Yes, correct. Yes, Huying, that is the answer. It is all on the same line. The points, okay, all of the points are on the same line. Pada garis yang sama. So usually another word that we use in bahasa is segaris. That means it's all on the same line. Yes, correct, Kitana. It's all the same. On the same line lah, okay? It's connecting. So when the points are connecting, okay, dear, what is that? Like it's on the same line, you can actually prove that RS is parallel to ST. Kita boleh buktikan. We can prove RS is parallel to ST. Okay. So how to start off? Okay, you write first the RS. Tulis dulu as persamaan 1, equation 1. Okay, after that, ST you write as persamaan 2, equation 2. Okay, what teacher asked you all to express just now? You must express the U, the vector. Okay, so we're going to express. Kita nak ungkapkan the U. Okay, so the 5 is going to move to the other side. We're going to pindah and go to the other side. Jadi U, vector U kita dapat 1/5. 1 over 5. Okay. This one we write as persamaan ketiga. The third equation. Okay. Then what you do? You substitute third equation, gantikan ke dalam persamaan kedua. You ganti into the second one. Okay, so ST, what we get? 8 times U. U, vector U tadi ialah 1/5. Okay, so you ganti first inside like that. Okay, then you darab you times, you get 8 over 5 RS. Okay, now you just check, does it follow? Adakah dia follow dengan format yang selari? Is it following the parallel format? Yes, because here got vector, here got vector. In the middle is constant per malar. So you can already say that you have shown. Sebab they asked to show, isn't it? Show. So kita dah buktikan, dah tunjuk. Okay, the bentuk itself is good enough already. Okay, the form you write. Okay, let's look at next one. Number 2. So usually this question like this is about like 3 marks. Okay, can come in paper 1. Kertas 1, soalan macam ni 3 markah. Okay, 3 marks. So what they will do after they ask like this, they will ask like question 2. Soalan 2. Okay, you can see soalan 2 like this. Okay, see this one is also important here for you to know the terms. Okay, term ni, I write down the terms. Okay, this one here ialah, oh, teacher wait. Okay, I wait for a while for you to copy. Okay, while then I write down the terms. Non-parallel vektor bukan sifar yang tidak selari. Okay, sudah? Okay, so scroll down. Okay, this one, okay, the one yang belajar dalam bahasa Melayu, you can write down the terms. Okay, ni adalah terms yang pelajar kena tengok dalam soalan. You have to see in the question. So you straight away know what to do. Kita tahu straight away apa yang kita boleh buat. Alright. So diberi here, given lambda tolak 5 vector P. This is vector P 2 beta tambah 8 vector Q. Hi Cikgu, I got my MHAT trial tomorrow. Alright, I know. My students are also having trial, but Thursday. So yours is quite fast. So okay, all the best, Yeni. All the best. Okay. Alright. So we continue. Okay, lambda tolak 5. This is vector P. Okay. 2 beta tambah 8. This is vector Q. So you got 2 vector here, P and Q. Okay, lambda dan beta ialah pemalar. Take note lambda dengan beta ialah pemalar. Okay, P and Q are non-parallel and non-zero. Okay, please take note of this. Non-parallel, non-zero. Bukan sifar dan tidak selari. Okay, you're most welcome. Okay, bukan sifar and tidak selari. Okay, that is your, please highlight that, okay? Tolong highlight. Because memang in SPM, if it comes out also, this is the word. Inilah ayat yang akan keluar. So, bila ayat ini keluar, I want y'all to straight away know what to do. Teacher nak student straight away tahu apa yang perlu dibuat. Okay, right then. Find the value. Cari nilai lambda dan beta. That's the question, right? Okay, straight away what you need to do, see okay, this is the question. Ini ialah soalan dia kan. Okay, copy dulu soalan. Okay, make sure satu vektor di sebelah kiri, one of the vector must be on the left side. Lagi satu vektor di sebelah kanan, another vector must be on the right side. Because sometimes in SPM trial, they can give like this. Dia boleh beri macam ni. Tolak, you see actually it's the same question, tapi they put equal 0 behind that. So what you must do, apa yang student kena buat, bawa vector Q ke belakang. You have to move vector Q, go behind. Move it to the back. Okay, move it to the back. Okay, so remember this whenever you do bukan sifar and tidak selari, satu vektor kena berada di sebelah kiri, another one must be on the right. Okay, then what you do? Okay, this is very easy. They say it's not zero, isn't it? Bukan sifar kan? So, how to get nilai? That means you must get a nilai, correct or not? Kena dapatkan a value. So, how to get? You take that equation, okay, you ambil persamaan tu, you samakan dengan zero. Understand? We're going to take that equation, okay, we're going to ambil persamaan itu, kita akan samakan dengan kosong. Why teacher you samakan dengan kosong? You samakan with kosong only, you can find the value. So it sounds a bit tricky, right? Yes, macam, like why teacher you make it equal 0? Okay, you see take this equation, okay, kita ambil lambda tolak 5, kita samakan dengan kosong. Bila samakan, when you make it equal 0 ni, you can get the lambda. See, you already get a value. So correct lah, this is a not zero kan? Bukan sifar, betul lah, lambda bukan sifar. Lambda ada value, tapi nak dapatkan value tu, you must make it equal 0. To get the value, you must make it equal to 0. That's what teacher want you all to remember. Please remember this. When you see not zero, not parallel, straight away make it equal 0. Terus jadikan dia sama dengan kosong. So yang belakang pun sama juga. You take 2 beta plus with 8 equal it to 0. So you can get the beta. 2 beta ialah negatif 8, beta ialah negatif 4. Get ready. Lambda pun dah dapat, beta pun dah dapat. Both also you get. So that's the clue, okay? This question is actually quite easy. Senang. But students forget that they must make it equal to 0. So this is your keyword. Inilah keyword student. Okay? Boleh One more time, teacher repeat. Okay. Kalau dapat, if you get not parallel, non-zero, you make the equation equal to 0. Okay? Kalau dapat bukan sifar dan tidak selari, jadikan persamaan tu sama dengan kosong. Barulah boleh dapat apa nilai value tu yang kita cari. Okay? Does it make sense or not? Like, is it logic for you to understand? It must be logical, baru student can remember. If you don't feel it's logic, then susah nak remember this. Okay, let me know if you still don't understand. Masih kalau tak faham lagi, bagi tahu teacher. Okay, I think we are done. I think there's one more question. Ada lagi satu soalan regarding bukan sifar and tidak selari. Question 3 ya. Okay. Okay, see. When you nampak soalan macam ni, when you see like this question, non-parallel, non-zero, what you must do? Straight away take that equation, samakan dengan 0. When you samakan with 0 ni, you can get the value. Alright? Okay, given, diberi, okay, this is vector P here, equal to something something, vector Q, sama dengan, okay. So, dia punya persamaan okay tak? The equation is fine, isn't it? One is on the left, one is on the right. So, nothing to change for us. Okay, M and N is constant per malar. So, cari M, cari N. Okay, how to cari? Take the equation that is on the left. Okay, apakah equation persamaan di sini? This entire thing, we going to make it equal to 0 first. Okay, jadikan dia sama dengan kosong. Okay lah, ini teacher copy dulu. 3M plus N plus Y, Q. Okay, yang ni jadikan dia kosong dulu. Make it equal to 0. Okay, move the 9 go behind. Okay, pindah ke belakang. Dapat negatif 9. Okay, anything else boleh solve dekat sini? Tak boleh. If tak boleh, you just tulis this as persamaan 1 first. Okay, tak boleh solve, right? Okay, so you just leave it first. Okay, next one. Take the other equation. Ambil persamaan lagi satu. Samakan. Make it equal to 0 also. Okay, move the 1 to the back. Dapat negatif 1 dekat belakang. Ini persamaan 2. Okay, now, what can you use to solve? Apa yang student boleh guna untuk solve? Kaedah penggantian, substitution method, kaedah penghapusan, elimination method. Okay, now I give you all 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, can you solve this? Up to you. Teacher leave it to you. You want to use substitution can? You want to use elimination also can. Teacher leave it to you. I give you all 2 minutes. Substitution or elimination. Gunalah salah satu. And give me what you get for your M and for your N. Okay, baik teacher nilai ya. Give me your answer for M and N. Okay. Already 1 minute. Sudah 1 minit. Ada siapa-siapa dah dapat jawapan? Anyone got your answer? Atau tak dapat? Okay. M is negative 1, N is 2. Okay, correct Hui, your answer betul. Negative 1 and 2. Okay, everyone else got or not? If everyone also got, teacher is not going to show. Kalau siapa tak dapat, teacher tunjukkan. Because this one, kaedah, the substitution method, elimination method, you all learn, which chapter was this? Chapter 3. Okay, kita now also got. Okay, very good. Okay, anyone else? If N2, M is okay, very good. Yang ni. Okay, anyone else? Last teacher put it out there. Ada siapa-siapa tak dapat. If anyone did not get, then teacher show the working. If not, we can move on already. Kita boleh pergi to the next one. Okay, no, so teacher is going to go to SPM based question. Okay, teacher pergi kepada next page. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, this is paper 1, kertas 1. Okay, so kertas 1, you see the question, how it looks like? Okay, vector P and Q are two non-parallel, non-zero. So bukan, what is that? I got it, teacher. Okay, very good, Yowin. Yowin. I remember your name from somewhere. Yowin, okay. Oh, okay, I think I remember you already. Okay, two non-parallel and non-zero, isn't it? Okay, so bukan selari, bukan sifar. Okay, so your clue will be straight away kena jadikan dia sama dengan sifar. You must make it equal to 0. Okay, this one, vector P, vector Q. Okay, M and N is constant, find the value of M and N. Senang kan this one? Okay, so what you do? Take M plus 4, equal it to 0. So M sama dengan negative 4. Straight 1 mark this one. Okay, for the N very easy also. N tolak 8, make it sama dengan 0. Supaya boleh dapat N. Easy 1 mark, right? So 2 marks here. 1 mark only. Okay? Just that, don't get confused with the concept. This concept is very easy. Just make it sama dengan 0. Okay, I scroll down because you all should have copied. Okay, 2006, paper 1. Okay, take note. This one is, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5 marks here. 5 markah. Okay, Okay, point A, B, C are collinear. Collinear maksudnya, tak sikit. Segaris. Okay, this segaris. Okay, vektor AB dan BC adalah diberi seperti berikut. It's given as follow. Just take note, here got like extra equation lah. Just take note of that because there's an unknown letter there. Ada letter yang kita tak tahu dekat situ, M. Okay, M is constant, pemala. Okay, A dan B are not parallel. Not parallel means jadikan dia sama dengan kosong, bukan selari. Atau tidak selari ya. Tidak selari. So, straight away you know the clue is make it equal to 0. Okay, find the value of M. So, how to find? Macam mana nak cari nilai M? Okay, kan dia bagi tahu A, B, C adalah collinear, segaris, betul tak? Okay, ni A, B, C. So, if segaris means, okay, first what you do, you jadikan dia sebegini dulu. A, B sama dengan B, C. Okay, dekat tengah sini, in the middle there, what you should have? If it's parallel. Kalau dia parallel, because first, this one is segaris, right? Segaris means you assume dia ialah parallel. Selari dulu. If selari, what you should get here? K. We use the letter K. Where teacher got the K from? Dari mana teacher dapat K? I follow this. Okay? I'm following this formula. Because we have been using K. If you want to use different letter, can. Tapi you stick to one. Okay? Jangan ubah-ubah lah. Stick to satu. Okay, kita guna K. Okay, so teacher write down first Okay, A, B ialah okay, 5A tolak 3B sama dengan equal to K. B, C, okay, I need to write in this kind of bracket. 4A for vector A, 2 plus M vector B. Okay? Okay, so far following? Can Okay, now what you must do? You must kembangkan. You must times in everything. Okay, so this is going to be a bit long. Okay, 5A minus 3B. Okay, K times 4. Please write the K behind the 4. Macam ni. Okay, some student dia pergi tulis 4A, lepas tu dia tulis K belakang. Salah, sebab K tu ialah pemalan, constant. So, constant tu sebenarnya number kan. Jadi dia kena darab dengan number. Tak boleh darab dengan vector. You cannot darab with vector. Okay, then here will be how. This one you kembangkan in okay. So, dia akan dapat 2K tambah KM. Lepas tu belakang ni ada B. So, this one also can kembangkan. Okay, you expand some more. Alright, so when you expand everything, okay, dah expand jadi dapat 4KA, 2KB, KMB, vector B. Vector, jangan lupa dekat bawah must write like this. If you forgot to write, then the whole equation can go wrong. Boleh jadi salah. Okay, sekarang what we going to do? Bring all the A go in front, bring all the B go behind. Bawa vector A semua ke depan, bawa vector B pergi belakang. Okay, jadi yang ni teacher akan bawa pergi ke depan dulu. Okay, so 5 vector A tolak 4K vector A equals to 2KB plus KMB negative 3B bawa pergi ke belakang becomes plus tambah 3B. Okay, you move it behind to the back. Okay, now what you can do? Faktorkan, factorize. Okay, factorize. How to factorize? Okay, here got A and A, isn't it? Vector A. So the vector you take it out. Bawa vector keluar ke belakang. Bring it outside, out. So what is left? Yang tinggal ialah 5 tolak 4K. Okay, sama dengan okay, yang belakang ni, the behind one, I'm going to take out vector B. Okay, so 2K tambah KM plus 3. Okay, so far clear? Now, since they mentioned that this is not parallel, tidak selari, therefore, you can take this equation. The first one, take the vector A punya persamaan, samakan dengan kosong. Ini persamaan 1. After that, take the second one. 2K tambah KM tambah 3, you make it equal to 0. This is equation 2. Okay, now it's up to you to solve. Okay, so you find. Equation 1, you can already find the K actually. K is 5 over 4. Okay, but K, the question the question didn't ask for K kan? Okay, so kita ganti K ke dalam persamaan 2. Okay, you substitute into equation 2. You see the steps, it's all one by one only flow. The flow is there, okay? So 2 times 5 over 4. 5 over 4 M. You selesaikan, you will get the M here. Okay, boleh selesaikan? Cari M. Negative 5 over 4. Which one Kirtana? The K, you telling. The K is not negative, Kirtana, it is positive. Because, okay, because see teacher made the 4K dekat sini. Do you realize here this is already positive? How? Because I moved this thing behind. So it's positive 4K, betul tak? I think you got confused with the negative there, is it? Because when you move, it becomes positive one. Correct? Okay, M dah dapat or not? M, you can get ready. What's the value? Anyone got M? Is my video lagging? Because the Wi-Fi here is showing a slow, showing error. Wi-Fi okay kan? It's like everything is still okay, right? The video. No one get value of M yet, or am I receiving the late answer? M you should get. Okay, you cari masukkan 2 times 5/4. Yes, a bit on my side. Oh yeah, it's because of I don't know why the YouTube it's saying that YouTube is receiving a low bandwidth connection. Okay, I'll just continue. Okay, this one is 5/4 okay, plus 11/2 sama dengan 0. Okay, lepas tu no teacher, but now it's okay. Okay, now it's okay ya. Okay, lepas tu bawa ke sebelah sana, bring to the other side. Okay, you get negative 11/2, then you bahagi with 5/4. 11/2 divide 5/4. 22 over negative 22 over, yes, correct. Jawapan B betul, okay? Negative 22/4, correct. Okay. So, here you get 3 marks. 3 markah. Okay, this question, for this first part, finding the nilai untuk M, kita dapat, I got negative 22/52. Yes, correct. Very good, Robin. So, this is the way to jawab, okay? So, first, if you see collinear, okay, that word, segaris, you jadikan dia parallel dulu. You make it selari first. After that, you see that A and B are not parallel, isn't it? And there's a difference, kena faham the soalan dulu, You see here, ABC parallel. ABC ialah selari. Tapi vector A dan B tidak selari. So the vector ni is not selari. Is not parallel. That's why we take the vector and we make it 0. You must understand the difference of the concept here. The question sometimes can, like, try to make you feel confused. But you must be alert. Kena alert. Okay? Because of these letters lah. Tomorrow if trial paper or your trial paper come out, check the letters. Because sometimes they use letter P, Q, R. Here they will use small p, small q. Okay? So you be very alert with the letter. Which one is parallel? Which one is not parallel? Okay, I hope this question is clear because vector usually paper 1, yes, it comes out like this. That's why teacher include this in my notes. Okay, teacher masukkan dalam nota. Okay, now next one, B, find the ratio of cari nisbah. We want to find nisbah. Scroll down a bit. Okay. Nisbah. Okay, cari nisbah AB kepada BC. How to find ratio? Okay, you all learned this together with me last week. Okay, I taught you all the rainbow method, cara pelangi, lambda method semua kan? Okay, sekarang ni, now what you do? You write first like this. AB, this vector, okay, vector AB sama dengan berapa? You copy this. Copy this. Sama dengan K vector BC, isn't it? Okay, K just now we got the answer, right? Tadi kita dah dapat K, betul tak? 5/4. Okay, so we copy that one here. AB equals to 5/4 BC. Okay, when you get this bentuk, this is lambda, bentuk lambda. If you all forgot, kalau lupa, go back to last week's class. Just see this part only again. Okay, please don't forget. That's why it's very important to do at maths every day. Okay, now what you do? Bawa BC ke sebelah sana. Okay, bring the BC to the other side. So it will look like this. Okay. BC goes down, turun ke bawah. Okay, so 5/4, isn't it? So what is the nisbah for AB? So you can write down ready. AB, the ratio is 5. The ratio for BC is 5/4. So if you can do this and you can solve like this, the answer, you get 2 marks really. Okay? Senang, right? Actually, if you understand. If you understand, it is actually senang. Easy to score. But most students, right? I don't know how is your perception. Teacher tak tahu macam mana pandangan student yang sedang tengok live. But most students, they say, teacher, if vector come out, I will skip vector. Saya akan skip soalan vector. But actually, vector is not hard. It's just that maybe you did not understand. That's why you want to skip soalan vector. Okay? Okay, so we completed 8.1 already. Sudah habis 8.1. Okay, I will wait. Since kita nak asked to wait, just copying. Okay, I just make it smaller so it's easy for you to copy. Okay, so we're going to go to 8.2, addition and subtraction, penambahan dan penolakan vektor. Oh, this part, penambahan and penolakan is super easy. Sangat-sangat senang. It's like darjah 1 punya tambah dan tolak. Okay, literally it's like that lah. Tambah dan tolak. Cuma like I'll teach you a certain things you need to know for addition and subtraction. Okay, ready? We can go to okay, done teacher. Okay, let's go to next part. Addition and subtraction. Okay. Alright. Penambahan dan penolakan vektor. Okay, the first part here, this word, resultant vector. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu, ni dipanggil sebagai vektor paduan. Paduan resultant. Okay, you see this word, a result, isn't it? Result. It is the result of adding two different vectors. Okay, usually, it will be parallel lah. Selalunya vektor tu adalah vektor selari. So, bila kita tambah kedua-dua vektor tu, when you add, it is known as resultant. There's a result that you will get. For example, I just give you simple first. Okay, 2 plus 5, what you get? 7, isn't it? So, 2, teacher want you to imagine this is a vector. Okay, kamu bayangkan ini vektor. 5, this is a vector. So, apa result dia? What is the result? The result is 7. So, you get another vector like that. Okay, the basic is like that. Like there's a vector, you plus another vector, you will get the resultant vector. Okay, now we see how it works. Okay, you see this? If I take vector A here, this one, vector A, I plus with vector B. A and B can plus or not? A dengan B boleh tambah tak? Tak boleh kan? A dengan B tak boleh tambah, right? So what you will get? A tambah B only lah, right? So A tambah B, you can straight away draw the entire thing. So bila lukis the entire thing, it will be known as A tambah B. Actually kan, kalau guna huruf kecil, just add here the line. Kalau guna huruf kecil, you must have that small line. Kena ada the squiggle line. Kena ada garis tu. Okay, just add on lah. Teacher terlupa. Okay, teacher terlupa dekat sini. Just add on Okay, now let's look at this is very important here. How the because this, if you understand the basic of the triangle law, parallelogram law, okay, you can answer, you know, the diagram question. Soalan yang ada gambar raja, soalan gambar raja semua, you will feel that you can understand how to jawab already. Okay, you see this one, Okay, when you got two vectors here, okay, one is blue color, satu warna biru di sini. Ini ialah vector A. Okay, lagi satu ialah warna Ni dah jadi pink. Okay, warna pink di sini ya. This is vector B. Okay, how do I plus and create another line? This is very important. Let me see the bahasa word for this. Initial and terminal is initial ialah titik awal, titik terminal. Okay, for bahasa students, you just write this down. Initial point ialah titik awal, terminal point ialah titik akhir. Take note of this first. Take note of this. English based student, initial, terminal. Okay, bahasa is easy. Awal and akhir. Okay. Terminal means the final point. Alright? Okay. Sekarang tengok Okay, the A, see carefully I zoom in a bit. Okay. The A starting is here, isn't it? So this is initial, correct? Ini adalah awal, titik awal. Ending dia dekat sini. Terminal. Initial, terminal. Okay, now you see Untuk B, ini ialah initial, betul? Ini ialah terminal. Okay? So, kalau initial dengan initial, sini terminal dengan terminal. Okay, if here is initial, terminal, you cannot create like this. Cannot create a line. You can only create line from initial to terminal. Okay, you see So what you must do, okay, you see carefully, just keep following, follow teacher. Okay, sebab tu gambar raja ni, that's why there is an arrow. They change the diagram. Tukar to this bentuk. Okay, see this form Okay, here is initial untuk A Ini initial, ini adalah terminal. This is terminal. Okay. Now you see for B ini ialah initial, correct or not? Ini ialah terminal. It must be like this. It must be I and T. Kalau dalam bahasa Melayu, it must be the akhir and awal must be like together there. Like just now the first diagram here, I and I cannot be like that. So we change a little bit. Okay, we change a little bit. We change to the same. If you see the B still going down kan? Masih lagi turun ke bawah. Dia still same direction. Tapi kita punya position tu, we put it the other side. The position only we change. Okay, the position only change. Following okay, so once you get like this, can you see here? Initial, ini ialah awal, ini ialah akhir. This one you connect them. The connecting here only dipanggil sebagai vektor paduan. Resultant. This is the resultant vector. Faham? Clear or not? Okay, I show one more example. Don't worry. We still got example here. Okay, still got example here. Just now what you take note, apa yang student take note, which one initial, which one terminal. Yang mana initial, yang mana terminal. Okay, that's all Okay, let's look at A. Okay, this is I, initial. Going here, T, terminal. Okay, for B, untuk B, sini ialah I, initial. Sini ialah T, terminal. How teacher know? You see your arrow starting where, ending where. Tengok dia start dari mana, pergi ke mana. Okay. Lepas tu, kat sini I dengan I. T dengan T boleh connect tak? T and T can do connection or not? Cannot. So therefore, we have to change a little bit. Okay, change a little bit. So this thing, what they did was for the second diagram, the A, right? The A, they move it down here. Can you see? Here is initial, terminal. Then here is initial, terminal. So ada banyak cara for you to do lah. This is what we are trying to show through the example. So dekat sini, This is I and T. So boleh do the connection or not? Can. So inilah vektor paduan. This is your resultant vector. Okay, there are different ways that you can change that line. Okay, you just change the position. Can understand or not this diagram so far? These two. So these two are called triangle law. Hukum segitiga. Okay. Ini bahasa hukum segitiga. Untuk parallelogram is known as hukum segi empat selari. Okay. Any question to ask or not? Teacher just want to make sure you all are clear on this. This one is very important to be clear. Is it clear? If clear, just let me know. Okay, Yowin said it's clear. Huyin said it's clear. Okay, thank you very much. Clear. Okay, now the next one kita akan tengok parallelogram law. Okay. Okay, next page Okay, this one still triangle law. Okay, nothing, the same explanation sahaja. Okay, triangle law is quite important. Take note, parallelogram, sorry. Hukum segi empat selari. Parallel is selari, right? Okay. Okay, so see this. Okay, if you are going to draw a parallelogram, okay, you see a parallelogram means okay, let's say they already give you a parallel, so memang sudah lukis lah parallelogram. So where will be the resultant vector? Yang manakah akan jadi resultant dia? Okay, so what you do? Okay, you check, always just check the initial dengan terminal. Check yang tu saja. Ni initial, sini terminal. Sini initial, sini terminal. Here's the initial and terminal. So now here you cannot do any connection, correct or not? Because actually the dotted line, okay, yang garis putus-putus, actually there are lines here. Okay, there are lines there. So where should we form the A plus B? So it will be formed in the middle like that. There you see this one? This will be, here is initial, here is terminal like that. Okay, so it will be formed dekat tengah. This one only applies for parallelogram. Hanya untuk selari, hukum segi empat selari, okay? So like let's say here A, vector A, here vector B. So A plus B will be in the middle like that. Inilah vector paduan, the resultant. Following okay. Okay, that's all for selari. Okay, the last one. The middle one always is just selari. Okay, remember that only. Segitiga, you can create a triangle. Okay, the last one is polygon. Okay, polygon also is quite easy actually. Let's say you see here the colored one. Let's say they give the colored lines only. Okay, the blue color one, vector A, isn't it? Okay, so this is initial. This is terminal. Betul Alright. Yang vector B tu, B I use green color. Okay, B macam ni. Initial, lepas tu terminal. Okay. Vector C pula, okay, sini initial, terminal. Okay, you see all this? Okay, right? All okay IT kan? So the final one, take the initial, you connect to terminal dekat. So this is your resultant. A plus B plus C. Okay, so it doesn't matter, you know, sometimes it can be like that. Okay, it's like up to you, up to the question. Here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D. Faham kan? So macam mana nak connect dia punya A plus B plus C plus D? The connection will be here lah. A, vector A plus B plus C plus D. This one polygon, dia bergantung pada soalan. Depend on the question. Sometimes they give 3, sometimes they give 4, 5, 6. It depends. Okay. Okay, finish. We can go to the next page to do tambah and tolak. Untuk buat tambah dan tolak. Okay. I hope you are clear with initial, terminal. Okay. Initial, terminal. Initial, terminal. Alright. Let's start with example 1. Okay. Contoh 1. Okay. Given vector PQ dan vector RS. Okay. Find 2PQ plus RS in terms of V dalam sebutan V. Sebutan V means, okay, write down first the soalan, tulis dulu soalan. Okay, PQ, you ganti the value, you substitute the value 5V. RS, you substitute as 8V. So what we get here? 10V plus 8V. So we get 18V. So you already got your answer dalam sebutan V. That's all. You see the plus. Very easy, right? Okay, B. What is this? Teacher explain to you all in first part or not? Or haven't yet? This one, okay, I explain this first. Ini ialah modulus. This is what student will tell teacher, this is modulus. Okay, but I want you all to remember, yes, correct, this is modulus. But for this chapter only, okay, for bab vector sahaja, this one we don't call as modulus. Okay, don't call it as modulus. I have to write down so that you all remember. But we say it is magnitude. Ini adalah magnitude. Okay, it's not modulus. Ini bukan modulus. So whenever you see like this, the bentuk two line, you don't say modulus V. You must say magnitude vector V. Remember, because you practice now only. During exam time, you will remember, oh, if I see like this is magnitude. Okay, because I have students until now, Form 5, they keep forgetting that, oh, they say, teacher, this is modulus. Modulus means it must be positive. No, for vector, it's not like that. For vector, it is called magnitude. Okay? Alright. So, B. Find magnitude of 2PQ tambah with RS. Okay? Okay, PQ and RS we tambah already. We already added just now, isn't it? So you straight away just write the answer lah. 18V. Then the A just now. Sorry, the A just now we got the answer already. Okay, what is V? There they give you the unit here. So you times 18 times 3. Which is 54, isn't it? Times 3. 54. So 54 is a positive number? Yes. So you don't need to change to anything lah. So 54 units. You must write unit. Kena tulis unit because that is magnitude. So you must write the word unit. Okay. Alright, I think we can go to the next one. Okay, so far no question. Looks like everyone is most probably writing down. Sedang tulis. Okay, soalan 2. Okay, look carefully. In this diagram, PQ is equal to 2P, vektor 2P. Okay, a parallel vector, satu vektor selari dengan PQ diberi sebagai RS, is given as RS. Find MN if MN is equal to this and draw the vector MN. Lukis vector MN. Okay. No teacher. No for what? Were you copying or what? Okay, let's see. Okay, I continue first. I continue first this one. Okay, so MN. Okay, we find first what is MN. Kita cari dulu MN ialah apa Okay, 2PQ tolak RS. Okay, what is PQ? Okay, we ganti first. We substitute 2 vector P. RS, we substitute as 3P. Okay, so 4P minus 3P, you get P only, right? Okay, so draw the vector. Okay, usually, they will give you in graph paper lah, the drawing tapi dekat sini bukan graph paper. Okay, what teacher want you all to do? Take your ruler, no question. Okay. Take your ruler. Can you see how many cm is this or not? P to Q. Boleh tengok berapa cm tak on your paper? Siapa yang ada paper? Who got the paper? You printed. Can you see berapa cm is this? Use ruler. Use ruler. Tell teacher how many cm you can see. For those of you who tak ada the kertas, teacher bagi tahu berapa cm. Mine, I'm getting 3 cm. Are you all getting 3? Just put on the paper like that, 3 cm. Okay. So this one for now we use in centimeter because in graph paper they will give you the units there. Okay. This is 3 cm. So I want to draw P, vector P. So P ialah berapa cm? How many cm I must draw? I must draw 1.5 cm. 1.5 because this 2P is 3 cm. So P means half, isn't it? Half of 2. So 3 cm divide 2, which is 1.5 cm. So this is MN. Inilah vector MN. Okay, clear? Yes, 3, correct. Okay, B. VW. So we're going to do for VW now. Okay, VW equals to 2RS minus 4PQ. Okay, so kita cari dulu nilai. We find what's the answer first. RS is 3P. PQ is 2P. Vector 6P minus 8P. 6P minus 8P negative 2P. Okay, negative means what? Negative maksudnya direction dia terbalik. Arah dia ialah arah yang terbalik. Okay, so sekarang ni kita nak lukis VW kan? So you draw. When you draw, you follow the same length. Okay, guna panjang yang sama, 3 cm. Alright, use the same length. But direction negative. Okay. Can So same length. Use ruler. Teacher here don't have ruler. Jadi like this. Okay. Negative, right? So negative 2P, vector 2P. So V2W. Ni kenalah 3 cm. Ikut. Alright. Clear? Anything to ask? Okay. So we do one more question, soalan 3. Okay, we do one more question, then we stop until there first. Satu lagi soalan, then we stop until there first. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, now apa ni R? I think this one suppose send this erase asal nothing. Okay. Okay, look at the diagram here. PQRS ialah trapezium. PQ is parallel to SR. Parallel to SR. Okay, SR is given as 4/3 of PQ. You can see here the bentuk lambda not? Okay, this is bentuk lambda. PQ is 3m. Okay, so usually I prefer to write down, okay, information they give the vector means I prefer to write it down first. Okay, and magnitude of m is 4 units. Okay, magnitude 4 unit. Find PQ plus SR. Okay, kita ambil PQ, kita tambah dengan SR. Kita tambah first. Okay, PQ, do we know what is PQ? Yes, PQ we got. SR, actually we don't have, but we can find because we can use this. Nampak tak? Kita boleh gunakan. Okay, so PQ is 3m, correct. Vector 3m. SR ialah 4/3 of PQ. So I just ganti only lah. What is PQ? 4/3 of 3m. Okay, I'm just using this formula, the lambda one that they give us. So here we cut. So 3m plus 4m. So your answer will be 7m, 7m. So A done already. Okay, B. B, fine. What is that? It's, even though that's modulus, but for this bab, kita akan beritahu, we will say it as magnitude. Okay, ini adalah magnitude. Okay, PQ, cari magnitude, PQ tambah SR. Cari the magnitude. Okay, so I want to find the magnitude. Okay, PQ and SR I know already is 7m, correct or not? 7m. So what is my m? They got give me? Yes, they give as 4 unit. So we're going to substitute that as 4. 7 times 4. So you get 28 units. Okay, 28 unit. Easy, Okay, next one. Okay, given PS is equals to N. Okay, P kepada S here, this is N, vector N. Find QS. Oh, Q to S. Can you see here? Q to S. Okay, teacher wanna ask you. Q to S is the resultant of which vector? Q to S is the resultant of which vector? Now you all have to take note. With QS. Okay. Alright. Q to S is resultant untuk, as you can see, is the result of this and this, isn't it? Okay, this and this. So that's why you got that middle as a triangle. So this actually is a triangle, if you can see this. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, this is my suggestion. When you get a triangle like this, you want to find the value. Bila nak cari nilai dia, okay, what you do? Okay. Okay, what you do? You write first QS. Okay, lepas tu, after that, you write Q and then you write the S at the back. Tulis Q dulu, lepas tu tulis S dekat belakang. Find the connecting point. Cari the huruf that's connecting Q and S. So here, this is Q and S, right? Which point is connecting both of them? P, isn't it? So the P you write here and here. Make sure it's like the P must be right beside the plus. Okay? Don't write like this. Like this cannot. Here and here must be same letter. Kena huruf yang sama. Sebab tu tadi teacher suruh tulis Q dulu. Ni. Okay. S ni tulis dekat belakang sini. Faham eh? Okay. QP. What is QP? QP. Tengok ni. Ni ke sini. Negative 3M. Okay. Why negative, teacher? Because the direction is terbalik what? Okay, the direction is terbalik. Okay, PS. P to S is N. So, you already got the vector in terms of M and N. Dah dapat vector dalam bentuk M dan N. That's all. Okay, I hope this one you all take note. Connecting point. Okay, sebab this one later we will learn more. This is very important method that I just showed you here. Connecting point. This is called the connecting point, the P. Because if I cut the P and the P, I must get back QS. Kalau cikgu potong balik P dan P, kena dapatkan balik QS tu. Alright. Okay, any question before we end? Okay, I think this is enough for today. I have another class since the trial exam is coming up, right? So I have class after this. So I'll see you all on Thursday for Form 5 student. Thursday. Those of you who are going back hometown for holiday, okay, do take care. I'll see you all soon. Okay. All the best for those of you who are having your exam. Okay, jangan give up. Do your best, alright? Okay, see you all soon. Have a good night. Selamat malam. Thank you for joining today's class. I hope this benefits you. Okay, bye.